Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope everyone are doing great. Today we are going to see the second chapter, Mountain Mona. It is written by Vivian French. I believe each child has a talent. What are your talents? You should think about it. I introduce the main character from this lesson. Our main character is Mona. She was a goat. She was living at the top of the mountain along with her brother, sister and mother. Let's move to the story. As I told you before, she was living at the top of the mountain along with her family members. Her brother, he was good at jumping. Her sister, she was good at leaping. Her mother, she was good at climbing and scrambling. But she was not good at anything except growing big sunflowers. One day her brother approached her and said, Mona, goats are not meant for growing sunflowers. You should know how to jump. It will help you to escape from the lion. Additionally, he told Mona, I'm going to teach you how to jump over a bush. Watch me clearly. Mona, she got confusion and she was thinking that was not a bush, that was a rock. Now, Mona's brother, he jumped over a bush and asked her to jump. Mona, she tried, but she fell on the floor. She got hurt. So her brother told her, you should look the place where you are jumping. She said, I did. Then she returned. Then she went near the sunflowers. After some time later, her sister approached her. She said, Mona, goats are not meant for growing sunflowers. They have to learn how to leap. Now I am going to teach you how to leap from rock to rock. You should listen carefully and you should leap from rock to rock. She agreed, and at the time also she had a confusion when her sister told her she was going to leap from rock to rock because she thought that was a bush. Then her sister, she leapt from rock to rock and she was asking Mona to leap. Mona, she tried, again she fell on the ground, then she got hurt. This time she got little bit irritation as well as frustration. The same thing her mother also came and told her. Mona, she was very furious when her mother also was telling her the same thing. You should learn how to scramble and how to climb on the mountain. Then she shouted at her family members and she told everyone that top of the mountain, it was always making me to feel down. So I wanted to go to the bottom of the mountain. She left the top of the mountain and she went to the bottom of the mountain. When she went to the bottom of the mountain, she could see a big lion. It was wearing spectacles. When she saw the lion, it opened his mouth widely and it was showing his teeth to her. But Mona, she didn't get any fear. She was standing still at the same place and smiling at the lion. So the lion, she called Mona and he asked Mona that, why did you stand at the same place? Didn't get fear of me. You should run away from the place. Mona said, why should I run away from the place? The lion replied, because I am a big lion. Mona, she was thinking that it was not a lion, it was a big sunflower. And she said the same answer to the lion also. She told the lion, you were a big sunflower, you were not a lion. The lion, it got angry. Then it started inquire about it. Mona, she think hard. After that, she found the answer that might be I was not good at jumping, leaping, climbing and scrambling. The same way I was not good at getting fear of someone. Lion, it started thinking and it identified the answer that Mona, she was not good at seeing the things clearly. because already she told the lion, it was looking like a big sunflower, right? So now the lion, it gave his spectacles to her. Mona, she wore a spectacle. After that she started telling, wow, wow, wow. Why? She could see the things very, very clearly, and she started telling, wow, wow, wow. The lion, it started shouting at her, stop your wow and look at me. When she looked at the lion, she got very much scared and started running away from the place. You were a big fierce lion. Mona said to the lion, you are a big fierce lion. Then she went to the top of the mountain. Now she learned how to jump, climb, scramble and leap with the help of the fear which he had on the lion, because he could see the lion very clearly now. Now the lion, it was calling Mona and it was asking his spectacles to her, but she didn't give. Well, the lion, it fell on the thistle plant and right away it rolled himself and went own cave. Then all her family members came and they started appreciating her because she had learnt how to jump, climb, scramble and leap at the end of the lesson. So this is the moral of the lesson. Thank you.